Now, dear students, 4.4 question number 2 is very important. Find the value of k. Now, other than x, one more variable k is given to you. Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have equal roots. Now, the point to be noted is they have equal roots. Means this time whenever they will ask you to find out the value of any other variable other than the given variable in the question, at that time they will definitely give you the nature of the roots. So what is the nature of the roots? The two roots are equal roots. So इसमें जब भी हमें k की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी होगी, कंडीशन विल बी गिवन टू अस, नेचर विल बी गिवन टू अस. नेचर इज equal roots. So for equal roots we'll start from here. For equal roots we'll take d is equal to 0. मीन्स इस बार हम ज़ीरो वैल्यू की वेट नहीं करेंगे, इस बार हम स्टार्ट ही यहाँ से करेंगे. दैट डिस्क्रिमिनेंट इज इक्वल टू 0. और अगर इक्वल एंड रियल एंड डिस्टिंक्ट रूट्स बोलते हैं तो हम यहाँ किसका साइन बना देते हैं? विल टेक ग्रेटर देन 0, ऐसे ले लेते हैं हम. बट राइट नाउ वी हैव इट हैज़ बीन गिवन एज d इज इक्वल टू 0. So nature of the roots is equal. So we'll start from here. So let us find out the value of a. First of all, put the value of d, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. इस बार इसे हम 0 से इक्वेट करके ही स्टार्ट करेंगे whenever they will give you the condition. So let us put the values. b, it is coefficient of x, that is plus k. So k square minus 4 into what is a? X square coefficient 2 into c, that is plus 3 is equal to 0. So k square minus 4 2s are 8, 3s are 24 is equal to 0. To get the value of k, let us take this to other side. It will become plus 24. But as you see, you can see that the degree of k is 2. That means again you will get two values of k. K is equal to square root of 24. Square will become square root, but take plus and minus, because whenever you solve a square root you will get two values, एक प्लस में और एक माइनस में मिलती है. And you can do the prime factorization of this part to solve it further. So this will be 2 1, 2 12s are 2 6s are 2 3s are 3 1. So one pair is formed, but the other factors are different. So the pair which is similar will take a common factor from here, and remaining will remain in the square root. 2 3s are 6. So in this way you will get two values of k, because the k is having 2 degree. So as you all know, whenever 2 degree is there, we must get two values. One is plus 6 plus 2 root 6 and other will be minus 2 root 6. So I hope it is clear to you. Because the condition is given to you, we'll start with the condition equal roots. और अगर less होता, distinct roots होते, we'll take less than. Non-real roots अगर non-real होते, we'll take less than 0. और सब जगह less than का sign लगाते. If they are distinct, then we will take greater than sign in this way. So now let us see the second part. The second part is, again we have to find out the value of k, and the equation is kx. Second part, the equation is kx into x minus 2 plus 6. Dear students, before solving it, as you can see that discriminant is applicable for the quadratic equation, but the given equation is not in quadratic form. So we will first convert it into quadratic form by opening this bracket. So kx into x, what it becomes? Kx square x into x, x square. Then plus minus 2 into kx, 2kx. Then plus 6, it is other than the bracket, multiply नहीं करना, plus 6. Now you can see that the equation has reduced in the quadratic form. सबसे पहले 2 degree x square, then x raised to power 1, then x raised to power 0. So what is a? We'll take x square, the coefficient of x square is as a, that is k. What is B? The coefficient of x, that is minus 2k. And what is C? The constant term. So again, nature of the roots given. It is given to you that the nature of roots are equal. Roots are equal roots. So we'll start from the condition. Dear students, you will get half marks for writing this condition. If you will miss the condition, your marks will be deducted. So do write the condition whenever it is given to you in the question. So now let us use the formula. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So what is B? It is the coefficient of x, that is minus 2k. Minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a, what is a? Coefficient of x square, that is k, into c, that is constant term, is equal to 0. So minus square is positive, 2 square is 4, k square is k square, minus 4 6 are 24k is equal to 0. Dear students, in the previous part single k term is there, that's why we have taken the constant term to other side. But in this case you can see that here also k square is there, here also. So we can take out the common factors. So 4 is also common because both are multiples of 4. So let us take out 4 as common factor. Now here k raised per 2 and here k raised per 1 is there. So we can take out the smaller power of k outside as a common factor. So 4k is common, put the bracket, 4 goes out of k square, 1k goes out, 1 is left. Then minus 4 kitne is 24, 4 6 are. Then k has gone out, so nothing will be there, is equal to 0. So now in multiplication we got two factors. So now we will write either 4k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. Again dear students, 2 degree of k is there, that means we must get two values. So in this way you will get two values. It is getting multiplied, we'll take it in the denominator and it will become plus 6. This is one value and 0 divided by anything is 0. So this is the other value. So because we are getting 2 degree of k, that's why we got two values here also. Dear students, do not forget of writing plus minus when the root is there. Okay, otherwise you will get only one value of k and your half of the given marks will be deducted. So in this way, I hope it is clear to you. The question, in this question, nature of roots is given to you. Start from the condition, okay? For the condition, you will get the marks. If you do not write the condition, your marks will be deducted. So I hope it is clear to you. Try the examples yourself. Try few questions from the extra books yourself. Okay, I'll provide you some extra questions related to these. That's all.